how to fix the application was unable to start correctly. Now, there are just three things that we are going to do to fix it. First thing, I want you to go ahead and type here features. And once you have opened this one, you're going to select this one right here. So framework 3.5 and then framework 4.8. Make sure that they are toggled on or enabled. You have here the check button here. Make sure that you have that one. And then you're just going to go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK to turn them on. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is basically go over to your files. And then we're just going to open this PC and local disk Windows, and then I want you to go ahead and basically try to look for system 32. Where is it? All right, this one. Now I want you to scroll down again until you see x input 1 underscore 3.dll. You can just go over and basically delete this one and then hit continue, and then you can go back to Windows. I want you to go ahead and look for this one right here, syswow64, and still the same thing, you're going to look for that particular file. So this one right here, and then still the same thing, we are going to go ahead and delete this one. So once that you have done that one, I want you to go ahead and open Chrome, and then you're going to go ahead and look for DirectX. So you're going to go ahead and download this one from the Microsoft directly. So you go ahead and hit the download button right here, and then you can just go ahead and basically follow the setup process here. All right, there you go. We have finished the installation process. I'm just going to go ahead and click that one. And then the last thing that we are going to do is basically an optional, but I want you to go ahead and try to make sure that you have updated your PC. So this is going to fix all of the bugs and issues that you are experiencing. And hopefully we are able to solve the problem that you are experiencing. I hope this video helps you out, everybody. Have a good day.